Good morning. It's Virginia Churchill. My name is Jose, I'm a nurse. Does your arm hurt a lot?
Yes, my elbow is killing me. God, oh God.
Okay, let's get you a pillow for that arm to make you more comfortable, okay?
Yes, God, do something. The pain is driving me crazy.
Okay, here, let me put the pillow under your arm. And we will see if it feels any better.
Oh,
Okay.
Jesus. Okay, it feels a little better, but not much. I think I need to take something for the pain.
Don't worry, the doctor will be here soon. Let's take your blood pressure, please. Okay. Everything seems fine. Can I ask you a few questions?
More questions. I already told my life story to the receptionist. Mother of God.
I understand. They are necessary so we can help you get better.
Fine. For God's sake, go ahead and ask.
Okay, just relax. Do you have any allergies?
Yes, I have an allergy to insects.
Good to know. Do you have any family history that we should know about? Have you undergone any surgeries?
Nothing important in my family, and I hadn't had any surgeries.
Do you take any medicines on a daily basis?
Yes, I take antidepressants.
Great. Now, please, tell me exactly what happened.
I was surfing in Pozo Izquierdo. There was an imbecile too close to me. I caught a great freaking wave, and this idiot crashed into me. I fell off the surfboard and slammed my goddamn elbow on his board.
Okay, and what happened with another guy?
He walked out of the water laughing like it was the biggest joke in the world. The asshole.
Okay. Well, don't worry. The important thing is to help you and alleviate the pain as quickly as possible, okay? Oh, here comes the doctor.